beat me?
You got me up.
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because your baby daddy wanted me to.
Why he asked you to do that for? We don't mess with you.
Well, I mess with you.
And for what?
Come here.
I'm going home.
Come here. I need you to write a note to your baby daddy and let him know that I was the one that got you out.
I ain't writing nothing for him.
Okay, then you go on back in there, okay?
Oh, and I still ain't forgot how you hit me neither.
Write a note to your baby daddy and let him know.
I ain't writing no note.
Oh. You can't write, can you?
Go to hell, Veronica.
Well, it's a fair question.
What you want me to write a note for?
Wait up.
Huh? Oh, you scared, huh?
Excuse me?
You think he gonna give you up?
He already tried that.
Then what you here trying to get me out for if you ain't scared?
Right. Dumbass. Right.
All right, then. I'll write your note.
Thank you.
You don't even know what's going on, do you?
Just right.
You know they mad as hell.
Who is they?
Them.
Dim. Who is Dim? Ignorant shit. What the hell is a Dim?
All them hood babies. You the reason Rio locked up right now. Cause of that bombing that you playing. Got them 2 brothers killed? Yeah. So they plotting on you. But I'll write you a little note.
Yes, you better. What's so funny?
You don't even know. That's the funny part. It's a real funny part.
Let me tell you something. Look at me. If any of those ghetto hood rats do anything to me, they will be wholly hell to pay. Now, when you finish writing this note, you run and tell Dio that. Yeah.
You only got so many lives, Veronica.
Well, at least I have a life.
All right.
Can you spell it?
Can you spell go to H-E-L-L? B-I-T-C-H.
Look. Just sign the damn thing and I'll
I
write
did,
it.
huh?
What the hell is this? What is this?
He'll know.
This is something here. This is a masterpiece. This right here needs to go in a museum. It needs to be archived or something. This needs to go up for every child in the world to see that this level of ignorance still exists on the planet. I didn't know Ratchet was a language. This is in Ratchet. That's what it is. Oh, I've got Spanish, French, English. This is in Ratchet.
I got your ratchet, bitch.
I see you do, bitch. Right here. Get out of my face.
What you on me? Hello.
Girl, you going back to jail? This way. Excuse me, sir. Hi. How are you? I have a question for you. Can you read this? Can you make out what that is? It's in Ratchet. Do you know what that is?